Hey guys, it's been a long time since I put a video up, so I wanted to record this for you tonight and give you the next stock alert. Excuse me. That's going to be going out tomorrow for tomorrow's trading day. It's going to actually be released tonight about 8 p.m. and through email. Make sure you guys are subscribed to our email newsletter. Also, please make sure that you're always subscribing and liking this channel so I can continue to provide you with quality stock reports. So it's been frustrating, not gonna lie, in the marketplace. Too much just back and forth with Trump's tariffs. We're all feeling the same pain. We're seeing stocks go up and come down. Thank God it's been really good the last 3-4 days and part of last week. But once again, the tone, as you can see, is changing on CNBC. They're starting to talk more about the tariffs and the negative impact it's going to have. I personally think that it's going to be temporary and we're going to continue to go up in trajectory as far as the stock market goes. But I do think that we're going to see a lot of negative pressure and impact going into May. If you guys remember, the term is sell in May and go away. So just a heads up, May is coming up. We only have 1 month before May hits. So start to plan your trades and plan your positions in the month of April. So you guys are ready going into May. You guys are not caught off guard with all of these Wall Street and these different gurus posting crazy stuff, right? Now, I did find a really good looking stock that's very attractive. I will give it to you in this video. The stock ticker is SONM, Sam, Oscar, Nancy, Mary. Now, SONM is a technology company. They create very rigid mobile devices for people who are in the field as far as firemen, EMTs, construction workers, roadside workers, anything you can think of that is a high demand physical job and they need to have a device that is basically indestructible. This is where SONM comes into play, right? Now, this stock has before seen multiple gains throughout its history. Most recently, back in August of 24, as you guys can see here, it ran from $2.39 to $3.50 shortly after, right? Then again, if you guys look here, back in December of 24, stock ran from $2.94 to over $3.50, actually $3.76, right? And they continue to keep seeing these upward movements. Again, on January 6th, which is this year, from $3.06 all the way up to $6.36. That's just a crazy move. Can you imagine in one day catching a stock from about $3 or $3.30 to $6.30? That's $3 over at the price you guys bought it at. So you can make it $3 a share in one trading day. That is just incredible gains on this stock. Now, what's interesting to me is this stock for the last, as you guys can see, the last little bit over 1 week, it's been accumulating. So it's been green candle, green candle, green, green. As you can see, it's been green all the way through to today. Now, this is what's really catching my attention right now. I think that we're going to break through this resistance line around the 230 to actually 250, 260 area. We're going to start to see more upward movements, right? Now, what's really unique is the 52-week low was about $1.86, exactly $1.86.7, right? And it's been pushing upwards ever since then, right? It hit that low back on March the 4th, earlier this month. Now it's been pushing up consistently every single day. Only had one red candle, which was on the 11th of March, but every other day has been green. You just can't beat that. So this is what's catching my attention. And also the RSI is nowhere in the overbought territory. It's only about 51, as you guys can see here, 51.89. Until you guys are seeing over 70 on the RSI, there really is no overbought territory. So we're clear to go. The MACD has confirmed already it's going to continue to trend upwards. It's started to curl more and more into the histogram. And we're right here at the price today, $2.29, $2.30 is right at the top Bollinger Band, which is the bands that open and close as the stock price moves up and down, right? So now we're in the channel. So we're going to see probably a breakout here, right? So it's very, very exciting, very lucrative. I want you to make sure you guys are focusing on this. Now, why is SONM important? Why not a different stock that has the same exact technical setup? Well, I'm going to tell you guys why. Because SONM only has about a 3.5 million share float, right? For you guys out there that are new to this, what I use is dilution tracker, right? So if you go to dilution tracker and you try to type in SONM, you can see, number one, their cash need is medium. So that means that there should be no shares coming to the market as far as secondary offerings, right? And we can also see what did they have here already that's been issued, right? So the last issue they had was in February 21st this year for $3 million to an offer, which was an offering amount, which was a debt. So that's not actually active. I'll explain that to you guys what that is in a different video, or you can always come to our WhatsApp group. I will tell you guys what that means in there, just for the sake of time in this video, right? They did a ATM, which is at the ATM offering equity line. They did that back in September of 24 at a price of $285, right? For about $100,000 worth of stock, right? So that's obviously nothing. That's probably even potentially done by now, right? But even at 285, let's say this is active. Well, the stock price right now is at 235, 220, right? So we still have a long ways to go till we hit the 280 price to where those people bought the offerings at. They're gonna start dumping into the marketplace. So we're probably okay for now, right? Potentially. This is all potential. Keep that in mind, guys. Nothing is guaranteed in the stock market or this due diligence, right? Now, I've been trading for 15 years, so I trust my judgment. I know I'm really good at it, but you guys take everything yourselves and do your own research, please. Now, this is very exciting. Now, what I want to show you guys is I created this page here, right? And it's going to summarize everything for you. I will put this in the description. You guys can take your time and read through this, right? So SONM has breakthrough 5G expansion technology, right? They've partnered with some of the biggest carriers such as T-Mobile, right? They've turned around success and strengthened the financial sheet, right? They have an $8 price target by analysts, right? They're doing enterprise market expansion, right? In addition to that, like I showed you guys earlier a few minutes ago, the chart is bullish, nearing a breakout area, right? In addition to that, right now, the moving averages are confirmed in an uptrend momentum, right? So right now we're above the 20-day moving average, and we're nearing the 50-day and the 200-day moving averages, right? Which is very, very bullish on technicals when it comes to stock trading. Here is your price targets. So right now it's around 228 price of the stock, and average price target is 8, low 8, medium 8, and high 8. So every single analyst is saying $8 is very possible for this company, right? What's really cool about this company is that they have a device that is certified, right? So in the space of rigid devices, you have to be certified to have the ability to sell and really expand the business. Well, SONM has already done that, and let me show that to you guys here if I can find it in all this writing that I did. Let's see here, scrolling through this. Give me 1 second. Bear with me, guys. I guess I didn't put that in here, but I will put that in. Actually, there we go. Okay, so they have a no, sorry. So I didn't put. I'll put that in here for you guys. So you guys can read it later. But that's the summary of it. I'm going to personally be investing into this tomorrow and take advantage of this movement. You guys take a look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll talk soon. Take care.